picture on our sign, that's the size of the steak that comes out. So that's the longest steak species in the world. They get up to 28 feet long, which is the size of a yellow spoon.
If you go to camp at Reptilia, you will get to meet with bigger snakes. Yeah. They get to learn how to handle the animals. Yeah, and they do an educational show at the end of the evening. We even have a $15 off on our camp.
You guys want a pet?
Yeah, so if you want to sign up, we have PAA separate. Just contact one of our coordinators who works on 12 months educated, and she can go and hold a snake just like Ava on her own. Yeah, because we'll teach you how. Yeah. Would you want to hold a snake like Ava? Yeah.
All right, and meanwhile, while they are getting ready of the music, it's a warm reminder that we have a lot of amazing booths at First Floor Center Court. And also, this message upcoming is brought to you by Real Canadian Superstore and Loblaws. So first of all, they wish you a happy Lunar New Year, and they have everything you need to prepare for greetings and all kinds of celebrations, from authentic East Asian products, from Lunar New Year gatherings to fresh ingredients to prepare foods and snacks. Real Canadian Superstore and Loblaws offer a number of different ways that consumers can save with PC Optimum and no-name products. 咁咧，亦都係 Real Canadian Superstore 同 Loblaws 帶俾大家，除咗係你嘅春節購物一站式好去處，慳錢又方便之餘咧，亦都有你需要嘅一切，幫你輕鬆準備聚會同埋慶祝活動㗎。Real Canadian Superstore 同埋 Loblaws 提供地道嘅亞洲美食，無論係新鮮食材定係即食食品同零食，都能夠滿足你春節嘅所有需求。咁當然啦 ，Real Canadian Superstore 同埋 Loblaws 提供唔同嘅方法，等你通過 PC Optimum 同埋 No Name 慳得更多啊！Real Canadian Superstore 和 Loblaws 帶給大家的溫馨春節祝福。Real Canadian Superstore 和 Loblaws 祝您農曆新年快樂。那他們除了提供地道的亞洲美食，還是無論是新鮮食材還是即食的食品和零食，都能滿足您春節的所有需求。Real Canadian Superstore 和 Loblaws 提供不同的方法，讓您通過 PC Optimum 和 No Name 省得更多。And also, for PC Optimum and no-name brands, you might wonder what is PC Optimum? It's Loblaws loyalty program, which allows consumers to earn points and save on the food and products they buy most, as well as redeem points for free products and their favorite items. 那各位呢，可能也会问 PC Optimum 是什么呢？就是 Loblaws 会员回赠计划，让您赚取积分之外呢，最常买的食品和产品可以省得更多，用积分换取你喜欢的产品，就是 PC Optimum。好啦，咁啊，大家亦都可能會問啦 ，PC Optimum 係咩呢？咁咧 Loblaws 嘅會員回贈計劃，等你賺取積分之餘咧，亦都會成日買呢一個食品嘅產品咧，就可以慳得更多，亦都可以用 PC Optimum 嘅積分換取你最中意嘅產品。咁通常咧，我哋去超市嘅時候咧，就會問：你有冇嗰張 PC Optimum card 啊？咁其實咧就係 Loblaws 同埋 Real Canadian Superstore 咧可以儲積分啊。咁各位咧，記住可以去嗰度儲下積分啊。咁有時候咧，亦都係會有精美嘅產品可以換㗎。And talking about No Name brand, No Name is a trust store brand which offers high quality of household products at a great price. 好啦，咁 No Name brand 頭先提到又係咩咧 ？No Name brand 咧就係一個值得你信任嘅品牌，係優惠嘅價錢，給予優質嘅家居產品。咁啊，亦都係實惠裝啦。咁啊，亦都係會非常優惠價錢㗎。
间有限量。
Can we have a round of applause for Chinese Collective Arts Association？ 非常感謝清華，佢都係我哋今次嘅feature performance 啊，係我哋大會非常感謝，亦都係由我哋嘅開幕典禮啦，亦都係今日都係再次第二週。So let's welcome all of the dancers back to the stage for a group photo。然后这是清华，然后呢，大家有兴趣可我看到今天他的老师们也在，可以到舞台左边。如果想要小朋友、大朋友去了解一下学习中国舞蹈、民族舞蹈呢，也可以去问问他们的导师。那现在呢，我们有一个很快的这个最后的这个团体合影，是清华的这个舞蹈清华艺术协进会。
Excited to see our boa constrictor.
好啦，咁我哋而家咧有一個好快嘅 group photo 啊，合影環節咧就係清華舞蹈協進會。So this is a Chinese Collective Arts Association for a very quick group photo. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, smile. 3, 2, 1, one more. Cheers. Thank you so much for these awesome youth and children dancers. And we hope to see them very soon again at Pacific Mall. Thank you so much. 好啦，咁啊，我哋可以影完相啦。我哋跟住落嚟咧，亦都有非常多嘅表演啦。We have a lot of programs upcoming. Oh, they are so nice. They say goodbye to everyone. Jackson, do you know? Oh, let me grab your mic. Do you know when was the last time we saw Chinese Collective Arts Association when they first came here last year?